There's one concept in philosophy, practical philosophy, that I love a lot. And it's something that really changes how you look at things and look at life. It's called amor fati. Amor means to fall in love. I think, I don't know that much Italian, but mi amor is, I think, my love. So amor means love, and fati means fate. Amor fati means the love of fate. And it's this concept that in life, so many different things can keep happening to us. Like God plays dice and also adds in some more elements, and like, we never know where we're gonna be. I have no idea what's gonna happen to me after 2 minutes. It could be good, it could be bad, it could be crazy. And that's just life. That's just how this existence is. And despite that, Amor Fati tells us that, hey, you gotta fall in love with this, with whatever happens, with whatever comes in front of you, with whatever the universe sends your way. You gotta fall in love with it. You do not have to accept it. You do not have to be okay with it. Acceptance and being okay with things, that's we do it as, I have no option, I'll have to be okay with it, what can I do? That's not what it's telling you. You're not just accepting it for the sake of it. You're falling in love with everything that the universe sends your way. And I think that's so powerful. Let's say you're out somewhere and you're in a new city. This is the first day and your only day in this new city. And rains come. And you're out in a park. This has happened to me, which is why I'm taking the example. You're out in a park, you're supposed to go tour the whole city, all the big places, everything. And then rain comes and you get drenched. Freaking Amor Fati tells you, go dance in that rain. Love whatever God sends at you. Look around you and embrace and enjoy that and dance in the rain like Geet and Jab We Met. Don't spend your mind being like, hey, my trip got bad, mera trip kharab ho gaya, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. Forget all of that. And don't even be like, okay, rain, okay, what can I do? That much rather, you would much rather be like, okay, I am dancing in the rain. Now it's all fun. Now it's rain. Now the universe has decided to show me rain. And now I will enjoy the rain in this beautiful new city. And that's what I'm going to do now. How beautiful would that be? How lovely would that be? Go do that. Love you.